Well, I mean, that's how the Target dollar spot works, right? It's not just $1, it's $1 or multiple dollars, because dollars, dollar spot makes sense. Your guys are probably way ahead of me on this one, right? I'm just now discovering this. Not really, I've known about it. I need to stop talking now. I am gonna go down to my local Target and Dollar Tree and get some supplies for my 4-year-old daughter to help her do some crafts and activities to prepare her for Valentine's Day. I'm also gonna share with you some ideas that I have that you can use and steal. My name is Leilani. I'm a former public and private school teacher. I homeschool my 4 kids, and I also do homeschool evaluations in the state of Florida. If you're interested in following us on our journey as we learn how to, do this whole thing called parenting, as well as homeschooling, and also take my daughter to therapies and learn about all that kind of stuff, join us on our journey and subscribe. I got my Dollar Tree crafts, and let's see if Target has anything we can use. Now I'll be honest, I was way more impressed with the Dollar Tree than I was with Target. Target has some really cute stuff, but after going to the Dollar Tree, a lot of it was just way overpriced in my opinion. For example, they had these cute little, they're not little, they're big foam hearts. And when I saw them at the Dollar Tree, I thought, hey, I can punch holes in them, and then I can get some yarn and use it as lacing thread. And that's what I plan on doing. Well, I went to Target and they had the same exact hearts, except they were already hole punched, and they had string that came with it, and they were all of $5. And we all have yarn laying around at home, or we have, what is it, the floss, I don't know, like cross stitch, when you cross stitch, I don't know what it's called. That stuff, I have that stuff laying around, and I can totally use it. So my idea was make a heart, tie a bow at the top, pretty little decoration. Let's pull it through, let's pull it through. Now I got this started for her because she can't get it in, but here, pull it through. Pull. Good job. Do you want to see if you can put it in that hole?
No.
Or you can practice pulling it out. That's fine. That's good too. If you're not really worried about breaking the heart and you're doing it just strictly for fine motor skills, you can also use a pipe cleaner. And then at the Dollar Tree, I got these cute stickers. I don't ever remember Dollar Tree having such cute stickers. They had more than just this, but these were my favorites. 2 different types of hearts and cupcakes, strawberry and chocolate. And they're shiny. Like what 4-year-old doesn't like shiny stuff? I got some socks too. This is for me. Love me some socks. And plus, we're getting close to World Down Syndrome Day, and that's where everybody wears crazy socks. So don't forget to wear your crazy socks on March 21st for World Down Syndrome Day. I'm also preparing for Valentine's Day. Look, we're a part of a co-op. They exchange Valentine's Day cards, so I just got them early at the Dollar Tree while I was there. Some pencils to throw in there with them, as well as some hearts, and that part is done. Clothespins. So I have a couple ideas that we can do with clothespins, whether you do Valentine's Day or not. One of the things is just with fine motor skills, you're pinching and squeezing, and they're little too. I mean, you want to talk about fine motor skills, working those muscles. You can also put like little stickers on there with different colors and say, hey, put the clothespin on the green sticker, put the clothespin on the yellow sticker. Also, if you receive Valentine's Day cards, you can get a little string and hang all the little Valentine's Day cards up to display, just like us moms do with our Christmas cards. Well, some of us moms do. Decorate your house with Valentine's Day cards. Either way, this is gonna last a lot longer than Valentine's Day. We also got invited to be a part of the sticker club, so we got some stickers. But stickers are also really, really good for fine motor skills. Stickers on paper are actually harder. Maybe they're both hard. They take different types of manipulation, so you probably want to try both. I also got some Valentine's Day stampers. I mean, what's better than just stamping paper, right? We can make little cards, stamp them like crazy. They came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8, and I think they're all different designs on them. I got some finger paint to go with the little Valentine's Day stamper cards, or just, you know what, probably put them on this. It'd take a little bit longer to dry, but we could totally do this. I have another activity in mind with this one. I talk a little bit about it on the video that's coming up this Friday, where I'm reviewing some sensory toys and giving you some do-it-yourself type sensory toys for kids that have sensory processing disorder or just need sensory stuff. So I got this for that. I also got some heart confetti, which we're gonna put together in a little gel bag that Naomi can kind of squish and play with. I like gel bags. They don't last as long, but they're pretty and shiny. Now, of course, if you guys are learning the alphabet, you can make miniature gel bags, and they can practice writing numbers or their name or even cursive letters in the gel bag. Really, really good exercise to start practicing those letters and handwriting skills. Seriously, look what happened to this thing. So it's been sitting out for a few days, and it looks like the red leaked into the gel, but now it's all like colored, and the hearts are now silver. Like, how cool is that? This was also at the dollar store. I am a sucker for Pom Pom Creatures. They're just really fun. And it takes a lot of hand-eye coordination, especially with the small pieces. I know with the glue, we all do this all the time. The glue doesn't dry fast enough for us. We gotta be patient, but we also gotta teach our kids patience that way too. And don't let your kids touch it afterwards. It has to sit out and dry. So, you know, don't expect these kind of Pom Pom Creatures to be put together fast, which I know so many parents, you already know this because you've been there, done that, right? Okay, like I said, I wasn't that impressed with Target, but I still got some stuff. There were lots and lots of really cute crafts, like paper crafts with like flower pots, and you know, they were so tempting to buy, but in all honesty, after going to the dollar store and getting what I got, I realized I really didn't need that stuff. Cute little erasers, I'm gonna stick them in Valentine's Day cards. You know, they were cheap. It's better than candy. I'm not a candy giver when it comes to Valentine's Day. I mean, I feel like when I give somebody candy, I'm actually saying, you know what, I want you to have stuff that's really bad for you. But when I give them an eraser, I say education's important. No, I give them an eraser, and I'm sparing the parents from hyperactive kids. Well, at least a little bit, because I'm sure they're gonna get more candy. But hey, you know what, erasers work. We're good, we're down with that. Education's important. I'm a dork. I also bought some really cute cardstock paper. It was $3. Oh, I did not expect this. They're little booklets. This is even better. I thought it was cardstock paper or origami paper. They're booklets. Do you know what this means? My son is gonna go crazy. Oh my gosh. He likes to write his own stories. They were only $3. Okay, this was worth it. Totally worth it. I also got these. These are 26 magnetic letters. We do have a magnetic whiteboard in the classroom, and for Naomi, since she is kind of learning her letters, I thought this would be really, really fun for her to use when she's, you know, playing in the classroom, putting stuff up on the wall, forming letters. Like, oh my gosh, is that cute? VV volcano. Sun. I think my other daughter is going to be into these too. Okay, this wins for like my favorite item that I bought. Oh my gosh, and it comes in a cute little Ziploc bag for storage. I did find it at the Target dollar spot, even though it was $3. Well, I mean, that's how the Target dollar spot works, right? It's not just $1, it's $1 or multiple dollars, because dollar spot. Your guys are probably way ahead of me on this one, right? Let me know if you liked it. Hopefully you got some ideas from this. The idea is that you just want to get creative. You want to have fun with what's going on around you. Get those fingers working. You don't want her to get bored, because if you're doing the same stuff over and over and over and over again, she's not gonna want to be involved, or him. And my daughter really has a short attention span. She needs variety. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this haul, if you think I should try doing another haul in the future. Until then, join me as I journey through this, you know, whole thing called parenting and homeschooling, as I share with you some tips as we go to the therapist, homeschool, all that fun stuff. My name is Leilani, and I really do hope to see you guys in another video. Bye. The green one?
No.
Where's the green one?
No.
Can you find the two blues?